What up and good morning, everybody. Just gonna have a little quick breakfast. That's how you shake up a salad. But what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be an interesting day. I'm gonna be tattooing myself. It's not really that fun. Today I'm finally gonna be covering up the stupid tattoo I have on my leg. It's been years. It's about time I cover this. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see right here, this is the tattoo I'm gonna cover up today. I've had this for a few years. The story behind it is that it's stupid. It's a long story behind it. Got this really young and dumb. First things first, let's get this stencil on. There you guys go. Let's get a better close-up picture here. Oh, my bulging legs. Let me get comfortable, cause this right here, this. I don't think this is gonna be fun.
If you talking, show me what's up, got let's go with the drum. Now you quiet, how it's supposed to be, little nigga, you look dumb.
Wait, yeah, I been in this bitch in my space. What he got that shit, he gotta ship it back across state. When I find a shot, she can't ever stay in my place. I can't ever fuck cause I don't know what I'm gonna lose.
Yo, won't lose, tryna play the part, but I won't let you though. Not heroic, I can't say these hoes, but damn, she flexible. So I bend it like a pretzel, bend it over, touch your toes. Say my name real loud so your neighbors know I'm home. That little bitch insane, come around tryna pick my brain, but I can't let her though. She thinks she a clever hoe. Now her boyfriend know, she turned to a lonely hoe. All her friends know, hit my line one next door.
Highway, going back to my place. Be way in the driveway, pocket in the driveway.
You been like my chain, going to a high stage. She gon' come to my place, do whatever I say.
Hey.
Got a little shawty, she off of Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out, no time for fun. If you talking, show me what's up, got let's go with the drum. Now you quiet, how it's supposed to be, little nigga, you look dumb.
Wait, yeah, I been in this bitch in my space. What he got that shit, he gotta ship it back across state. When I find a shot, she can't ever stay in my place. I can't ever fuck cause I don't know what I'm gonna lose. Hey.
I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. You with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. You with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. Do your thing, I tell her to do her thing. I ain't tryna waste your time, I see you living your dream. I'm just tryna help you shine, VVS is up on the ring. Only time I see you struggling when you tryna get in them jeans. Mamacita, I ain't never do her wrong. My mama showed me how to treat her. So you could talk down, I still ain't never gonna leave her. And you gon' be upset when we pull up in that two-seater. And I ain't even tryna flaunt, I'ma get her what she want. Dip her in that Saint Laurent, and she don't got a front, cause she been out from the jump. If a shorty try to stunt, she gon' kick him like a punt, yeah. You with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. You with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. I ain't going waste your time. Why you gon' try waste mine? See, girl, I know you fine. But I know that you be lying. I be reading all them signs. You with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl. with the vibes, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life. I don't wanna waste my time, girl. You don't wanna waste your time, girl.
And I'm finally done. That was a lot harder. A lot more tougher than what I thought. This hurt. You can see here, finished product. I am supposed to add some white around these corners, but that. The cover up is done, my peoples. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. I'm gonna link down in the description the artist whose drawing I got this from. Davis Ryder himself designed this flower. If you look into it, you could tell that it's actually Deadpool's swords. If you check out Davis.Ryder at Instagram, you check out some more of his work. You can even purchase some of his flash work. Everybody, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about my work. And you guys have a good night.